Hello and welcome to the Breakers Resort. They're doing a little bit of construction, as you may already know, and it's been a few weeks since I visited. Last time I was here, this crane was not constructed. So that gives you an idea of how tall the new building is going to be, unless the crane is raised further. So let's cross the street and get a closer look. Looks like there's a lot of activity going on over there. Let's take a walk around the other side, see what this vantage point shows us. As you can see, the vertical construction has begun. It's only a matter of time until we can start counting the number of floors that are complete. A few decades ago, when the economy was booming in Myrtle Beach, there was an ongoing joke in town that the city bird, the official city bird, was the crane, due to the sheer number of construction cranes that you would see along Ocean Boulevard at any given time. Nowadays, I believe the official bird of Myrtle Beach would be the helicopter tours. here to the other side, get another angle. Put a good timestamp on this construction sequence. Thank you for joining me on this quick excursion to check on the status of the new Breakers Resort Tower, currently under construction. I find it interesting to document something like this, high-rise construction during a pandemic. It's not something that happens every day. All right, let's attempt to cross the street without getting hit. Always a fun game to play along Ocean Boulevard. Whether you're maneuvering your vehicle or just a pedestrian walking, I always recommend to be extremely defensive along the boulevard because you'd be surprised how many accidents occur between vehicles and pedestrians along this road. All right, everybody. Until next time, stay safe and take it easy.